Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change picture quality in camera on Redmi Note 7 Pro running MIUI version 12.0.1. So this is my Redmi Note 7 Pro device and I have MIUI version 12.0.1 installed on this. So let me show you first. So let me open my settings app and then let me tap on this about phone. And you can see guys, here I have this MIUI version. You can see I have MIUI Global 12.0.1 installed on this Redmi Note 7 Pro. So let me close my settings app. So in order to change picture quality in camera on Redmi Note 7 Pro, what you need to do, you have to open your camera app. So just find your camera app and then tap on it to open it. So here is my camera app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and make sure guys you have this photo this mode selected, and after that you have to tap on this three horizontal lines at the top right. So let me tap on this, and then you have to tap on this settings, and you can see I have this camera settings, this screen opened, and after that guys you have to come to this modes this section, and you can see here I have this picture quality this option, and you can see guys currently I have this high this option selected. So just tap on the option whatever you have like low or standard next to this picture quality. So let me tap on this, and you can see guys I have this little pop-up, and here we have three options: high, standard and low. So suppose if I want to select this standard, then I need to tap on this. So let me tap on this, and you can see I have this standard this option selected, okay, in this picture quality. So again, suppose if I want to change this, again I need to tap on this, and I have this menu. So suppose if I want to select this low option this time, then I need to tap on this, and you can see I have this option selected. But I want to select high, so let me tap on this again. Let me tap on this high, and you can see I have this picture quality set to high. And after that you can go back and start taking pictures. So let me go back, and I have this camera opened, and I have this photo mode selected. So let me tap on this shutter button in order to take picture. Okay, and once you are done guys, you can close your camera app. So let me close that. So that's it. In this way you can easily change picture quality in camera on Redmi Note 7 Pro running MIUI version 12.0.1. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.